In this video, Xcn coin may rise after 8 days. We will examine this reason in the video. But first, let's see how much Xcn can rise. Please watch to the end so as not to miss it. There is currently a clear downtrend on Xcn coin. As long as the price remains under the influence of this downtrend, it can be said that sellers dominate the market and the downward pressure continues. Downtrends usually indicate that the price is moving by making lower highs and lower lows, and the overall market direction is downward. Breaking this trend is critical for the price to break out of the downtrend and start a new uptrend. If the price breaks this falling trend line to the upside, it could be a strong signal that the market is gaining strength and buyers are stepping in. It is important to retest after the breakout. It had previously broken the support point to the downside, but the price managed to break above this level again. Support levels are considered critical zones that usually determine the direction of the price with strong buyer reactions. The price breaking above this level shows that buyers are regaining strength here and trying to hold the support level. And it is now retesting above this support and will rise if it does not break it again. In the area where the price is now, there is an important bullish order block where it can react. Order blocks are critical levels where big buyers enter the market and the price reacts strongly. Since bullish order blocks in particular are areas where buyers are concentrated, the price is likely to react upwards when it reaches this level. If there is a strong buying reaction at this level, the price may start an upward movement again and enter an uptrend. And if the price comes back here after rising, it will get a reaction again. One of the important levels that the price will face in its upward movement is the bear order block on the upper side. This area stands out as a strong resistance area that the price has tested several times in the past but failed to break. Bearish order blocks are usually the levels where big sellers enter the market and the price reacts as downwards. Every time the price has approached this area, it has faced selling pressure and failed to break through, but since it has tried twice, it has a better chance of breaking through this time. When we analyze price movements according to the Elliott wave theory, we see that the first and second waves have completed so far. The first wave usually represents the beginning of an uptrend, while the second wave is a correction. After the completion of the second wave, the third wave is expected to form, which is usually known as the strongest and longest wave. In technical analysis, the third wave usually has to reach a minimum Fibonacci level of 1,618. This level is considered an important target, indicating that the price has entered a strong bullish move and the market is dominated by buyers. The third wave comes out of nowhere and everyone is surprised what happened. Looking at the chart from a broader perspective, we see that price is moving within a descending channel structure. Descending channels usually show price moving between certain support and resistance levels in downtrends. When the price approaches the upper band of the channel, it may face selling pressure, while when it approaches the lower band, it may react as buyers step in. In the current case, the price has already tried twice to break the middle band of this channel, but failed both times. The middle band is usually considered as an important level that determines the direction of the price, and failure to break through it indicates that the selling pressure remains strong and the price is still exhibiting a weak structure within the channel, and this time it may break the middle band of the channel because it has facilitated there twice. Looking at the Bollinger Band, we can see that price last touched the upper band and experienced a decline from there. The upper band is usually considered an overbought zone, and when the price reaches this level, a profit-selling or correctional move usually appears. This could keep the price under downward pressure for a while. Currently, the price is heading toward the lower band with a downtrend. The lower band is usually considered an oversold zone, and when the price reaches this level, the probability of a reaction increases. And there is already a bullish order block here, that is buyers. Looking at the MACD indicator, we can see that there is an upside crossover on the lower side. This type of crossover is usually treated as a bullish signal, indicating that the market is starting to gain momentum, and buyers are stepping in. When the MACD line crosses the signal line upwards from below, this is usually a sign of a trend reversal and indicates that the price may start an upward move. And if this cross also crosses above the zero line, we may see bigger upside. The RSI indicator previously had a downtrend structure, indicating that the price was moving downwards with weakening momentum. However, the RSI broke this downtrend upwards, signaling strength in the market. This breakout is usually considered a positive sign that the uptrend may continue. Currently, the RSI is pulling back to retest this broken trend line. If the retest is successful, the RSI will rise again, which will cause the price to increase. On the Vortex indicator, a blue line above the blue line indicates an uptrend, while a red line above the blue line indicates bearish pressure. Looking at the current situation, there is still a bearish bias in the market as the red line is on the upper side. This shows that sellers are influential in the market and the price is under downward pressure. However, the blue line has also started to move upwards and is trying to move to the upper side. This could signal that the market may be slowly signaling a turnaround. When blue crosses to the upper side, the uptrend has started. The price is currently moving below the 200 EMA, and although it has touched the 200 EMA twice, it has failed to breach this level. This suggests that the market is still under downward pressure in the short term, and the 200 EMA acts as a strong resistance level. The 200 EMA is an important level that usually determines the direction of the long-term trend. The fact that the price failed to cross this level shows that sellers are still strongly influential in the market and buyers are struggling to break through this level. If the price can break above the 200 EMA, we can say that the price has entered an uptrend in the long term. For Xcn coin, March the 3rd of May, be an important milestone for investors and followers. In a post on Xcn Coin's social media page today, it is noteworthy that the number 8 is emphasized. If previous tweets are to be believed, this date is March 3rd, and 8 days from today, we will be approaching this important date. March 3rd is a critical date for Xcn Coin, because on that day, a mainnet news is expected that will affect the future of the project. Mainnet usually refers to the independent launch of a cryptocurrency's own network, and such developments usually generate a lot of excitement. The successful launch of the mainnet shows that the technological infrastructure of the project is strengthening and gaining more confidence. Therefore, March 3rd could be an important milestone for Xcn Coin. If this mainnet news materializes as expected, we can expect a significant movement in Xcn Coin's price. Also, as the community's anticipation for this date increases, trading activity may accelerate even more in the run-up to this date. With the impact of such major developments, it may become more meaningful to make predictions about Xcn Coin's future activity. The news on March 3rd could instill a great deal of confidence in the market and be an important step in Xcn Coin's long-term journey. This update is very happy news for Xcn holders. With this update, their community will surely grow. Yes, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you subscribe to my channel and like the video, more videos will be coming. Be careful in your investments, analyze the risks correctly, and always take strategic steps. I will be with you with different analyses, investment opportunities, and technical information in my videos. I wish you all a lot of profit. See you soon.